morning, ladies and gentlemen. Captain speaking. Welcome on board this ASL flight to Doncaster. Flight time today 2 hours and 5 minutes. There was a fine en route, and on arrival, I wish you a very pleasant flight.
Dzień dobry. It's 6 in the morning. We plan on going to Doncaster and Castle, a trip for a cargo flight. So we just make a walk around of the plane just to check equipment and all the stuff. This is an in-depth for the ram air to get in the plane to just make him cold. I'm just checking the blades real quick just to see if there is no deformation. So Dzień dobry. Checking the tires, the brakes, good shape. Hydraulics, quantities, good shape, no leaks. Once again, brakes, tires, good shape, hydraulics. The lights. How are you this morning?
Fuel.
Yeah. Okay, get it.
Okay.
Here?
Okay.
Thank you. See ya. Let's crank it up. Pre-flight procedures. Flaps up. The ISV shift nav, everything is normal. Cross feed, all the pumps are off. View here. Right, it's we on the bad bus. Standby power. We in. Right, it's on. Right, panel normal. Here, whippers. Alright, window heat will be on, pilotage off, engine ATIs, everything is on off. The hydraulics pumps are set. Alright, core here off. Very good. Price resolution auto 55360 is good. Alright, everything's fine. Okay, first start. Ignitus on the right. Okay, and the lights are set. And master, 3,000 would be good, 5,000, first initial climb. Pre-flight procedures complete. Cool.
Okay, so request start clearance, please.
The Grand French Post 611 Fox, good morning, startup clearance. We are fully ready with the information X-ray destination is Delta Sierra Alpha. Stand at 18.
And French Post 611 Fox, no information, Yankee after takeoff from runway 29er. Runway heading 6,000. After takeoff from runway 11, runway heading 6,000 feet, squawk 3443.
Copy, French Post 611 Fox. That will be runway 11 6000 and squawk 3443. We are starting up and push 611 Fox.
Start and pull is approved for taxi, please contact our.
Ça va. Ok, on va faire la before start procedure. Ok, and intercom off. Yes. And checklist, before start checklist.
Before start checklist, flight deck doors.
Close.
Fuel.
Fuel pumps on and 8,000 kilos.
Okay. Windows.
Locked.
Right, MCP.
MCP V2150, heading 112 and 6,000 feet.
Takeoff speeds.
444650.
CDU pre-flight.
Completed.
Rudder and rod trim.
3 and 0.
Taxi and takeoff brief.
Completed.
Anti-collision light.
On. Ground from cockpit. So could you confirm all doors are closed, handle checks bypassing, turbine push connected?
I confirm all doors and handles are closed, bypass is installed, all checks is completed.
Okay, ground from cockpit. So we are clear to push, parking brake is released, block time at 30, you can push. I've got the sunshine in my face.
You are a sunshine captain.
Okay, before start procedure, please. And starting, so ready to start 2001? Starting number 2. Okay. Intercom off. Thank you.
Starter cut out.
Check. Parking brake is set. Much better. Okay. Ready to start number 1? Starting 1. Let's go. Okay, stand by.
Starter cut out.
Check. Okay. So we had the 2 good starts. You can disconnect. See you on the left side with a safety pin. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Okay, intercom on and before taxi procedure. And checklist, please. And flaps 5. Before taxi, checklist.
Before taxi checklist, generators
On,
pilotage heat,
on,
IDS,
off,
isolation valve,
auto,
engine start switches,
continuous,
recall,
checked,
auto white,
RTO,
engine start levels,
idle detent,
flight control,
checked,
ground equipment.
completed.
Before taxi checklist complete.
Request taxi.
The well, French Coast 61 Fox, ready taxi.
French Coast 611 Fox, taxi Bravo Charlie holding point 11, report and ready.
Taxi Bravo Charlie holding point 11, French Coast 61 Fox will be clear back.
Okay, so it will be a left turn, up here. So, yeah, clear to the left,
Clear right.
lights on, AP off. Let's go. And before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist flaps,
F5, green light,
stabilizer trim,
full, for 6
6.
units. Set.
Before takeoff checklist is complete.
Thank you.
Anytime.
So we will have to switch frequency after takeoff, Poznan approach.
French Coast 61 Fox will be ready tonight.
French Coast 611 Fox, roger, line up runway 11 and wait.
61 Fox will line up and wait.
French Coast 611 Fox, airborne contact line approach 127, 225, wind 120 degrees, 9 knots, runway 11, clear for takeoff, have a nice flight.
French Coast 611 Fox, thank you. We are clear for takeoff runway 11 and after takeoff with the approach 127 225. Thank you, bye.
Check.
Roger.
So just to remember, in case of problem, straight ahead, 1,200 feet. Okay?
Check.
You will be ready?
Oh yeah, be ready, sir.
And we are clear takeoff. So I line up the aircraft and give it to you. So takeoff time at 3:08.
Check.
Ready?
Yeah.
Your control.
My controls. Setting controls.
And one Toga heading set ready. Thrust set. Eighteen offset. Rotate. Positive rate.
Yeah.
And upgrade.
Business approach French Coast 611 Foxtrot. Good morning, passing 1,400 feet.
French Coast 611 Foxtrot, Poznan approach, lead time identified, climb flight level 180, runway ATC, clear restriction.
Landing 180, 611 Foxtrot.
180. Yek.
180, check.
Climb thrust. And one green. And no speed ATC restriction. But we don't care.
give me a flaps up in the row, please?
Oh yeah.
French post 611, Foxtrot 10 right, Narox.
Right, Narox, French post 611, Foxtrot. Yeah, Narox. Like that. Happy?
Thank you. And VNAV, please.
VNAV speed green.
Check. Set standard.
Set.
Alright, for a check at 4-1. 4-1. Check.
Correct.
Alright, after takeoff checklist.
So, engine bleeds on, pack, auto landing gear, up and off, flaps up, no rights after takeoff, checklist completed.
Thanks, sir. And one, enough speed and vitamin D green. Checked.
Checking flight level 100.
Yes. Check.
Plus 40 and plus 20.
Copy.
French post 611, Foxtrot climb flight level 60.
Climbing 260, French post 611 Foxtrot.
607.
Checked. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, some information about our flight to Doncaster. So we took off from Wroclaw, runway 11, so to the east, climbing, right turn, climbing flight level 360. So actually we just passed Leipzig airport and we are looking direct to Amsterdam, then to England. About the weight, the gross weight is 47,800 kilos and we took off at approximately 50 tons. So we use some fuel, 2,000 kilos of fuel. About the speed, 400 knots ground speed due to some headwinds, and the temperature should be, let's have a look, minus 51 degrees Celsius. Landing in Doncaster, so at 0648 to the south direction, runway 20. Nice weather on arrival, and my colleague will land the aircraft because he is the pilot flight.
Good morning. My name is Nicholas. I'm the first officer of this flight, this cargo flight from Poland, Wroclaw, up to Doncaster in England. My background is I was a Navy fighter pilot, so very honored to fly in this company and to fly with great captains. Very good atmosphere in this company. In ASL company, we fly cargo. We also fly passengers, very different jobs, so actually that offers very good flexibility and we can enjoy night flights during the cargo flights, day flights with the passengers. But even if the jobs are really different, the thing is that it's always the same mission. Concerning takeoff, flying, landings, same mission, passengers and cargo flights. They are both exciting.
I'm wondering if it's not purple.
Yeah, maybe.
As you can see, we took off from Poland, Wroclaw. Destination is in England, Doncaster. Currently, we are flying over the Germany, which is a really, really great country. You can see right here on the zoom in that we got Hanover in the north. We're gonna overfly Munster, cruising at flight level 360 with a Mach 0.76. Really good weather today. So we're gonna cross the channel after that. North Sea to go on the coast and then to Doncaster. Alright, let me introduce you the 737 systems very grossly. You have here four main parts in vertical. On the left part you have some flight controls here, commands, the fuel pumps here. On the second part you got all the electrical systems. Electrical system with the switch we use the most here. Many indications. A panel here. And you get here the window aids. You have the anti-ice systems, both for the wings and the engine, anti-ice. You got here the hydraulics pump system, pressurization. Here you got all concerning the air conditioning and pressurizations, indications for the cabin altitudes, the air conditioning and pressurization distributions. Air conditioning is here, pressurizations, also here. Here you got mainly all the lights and also some additional switches for the engines, like ignitors for both engines. Here we got what we call the MCP, where you can find some flight controls. This is where we set the altitude, and actually in that case the autopilot would stabilize whichever altitude we set. We got the course, we got also some heading bugs, we got speed indications, and we also can set the speeds if you want. So this is mainly the autopilot switches. Here you got all the indications about the engines, like the temperatures, the N1, the N2, the fuel flow, the fuel flowing in the engine systems, all the quantities and pressure, like oil, hydraulics, anti-skid. This is all about the landing gear systems, like the anti-skid, the auto brake, the landing gear lever. Here, obviously, this is the flight instruments. You get this nice AFIS systems with still the classic with needles in the backup, altitudes. And like in every plane, we also got a watch. We still got a watch. The FMC, which is the flight management computers, where we set the routes and where we say to the autopilot to one go there, and it gives indications on the screen. Engine levers, flaps levers, engine cutoff levers. We got this nice trim, very modern trim system. This is for if you get a fire, this is to light the fire off like this. Push, lights in red, then you push and you can turn and push the buttons for the to extinguish the fires. Here this is the navigation frequency setup. So we got this VHF radio communications. We got the navigations, VHF frequencies.
all the intercom, different intercoms. Right in my back, we have all the breaker system. That's a lot. We know all the breakers by heart. Each one we know by heart. I'm just joking. But there is a lot of circuit breakers. We also have another panel in the captain's back. Alright, we're here in the back of the cockpit. Also have the toilets. We have many seats because we can take some passengers. Here we also get some oxygen supply for those passengers. We got this control panel for the cargo door. As you can see, with the master switch, you can open and close the door and all the warning lights. The doors, we got two doors here, which allows us to get in and get off the plane, of course, and obviously should be closed during the flight. So back from the cockpit, we got this passenger room, I would say, and further on, we also got here this small sliding door, which allows us to access to the cargo compartments where we got all the load that we bring to destinations.
So information mic, runway 20, wet 3 times, taxiway Foxtrot and serviceable. The wind 230 degrees 4 knots. Scav OK 14, 13, 1016.
Copy, 1016.
25 minutes for the fuel remaining.
Okay. Okay. Let's brief.
Yes.
Okay. About the weather is pretty good up there. We got small winds, but we can expect bumpy due to the hill surroundings. But actually, it's pretty good weather, fair weather over there. The NOTAMs, we got nothing relevant.
Yep.
The fuel, we got over there. We will have remaining fuel 20 minutes of hold possible. So fuel.
Yep.
All right. Concerning the specifics, we got about the runway. We got a nice runway, 2,600 meters. Just be aware, we got a displaced threshold, 150 meters. We got a nice ramp. We also got a PAPI. The glide stop would be 3 degrees. So we're gonna I set an auto brake 2 for this landing. The bugs, we have a VREF 127 knots, and the minimas you can set on your side.
128.
200 and 30 feet.
Okay.
128 for the VF, I'm sorry.
No.
And the minimas can sit back 230 feet.
Set.
About the tracks, I'm on the Lido from the December 31st, 2015. So there would be an approach altitude at 2500 with a start of descent at 7.6, glide path 3 degrees. Minimas, I talk about that, nothing special about that. For the go-around tracks, that will be on the runway heading and at 2,500 feet, that would be a left turn direct to Fox November Yankee. Yep. And then at this point we'll maintain 2,500. I guess
it is in the
FMC. I'm happy with that.
Yep.
For the frequencies, the ILS frequencies are set on VHF1 and VHF2 with the post associated 199 tracks. Check. Alright, and for the taxi, once we be on the ground, so landing 20, we expect to vacate at taxiway Bravo.
Yep.
And from here there will be a left turn down south to parking stands Alpha. Right on Bravo, and once on Bravo there will be a left turn down south to taxiway Alpha. Okay, for the stand Alpha, that will be pretty simple. We'll be pretty much the only guys down south. Right, for the specifics for the flights, like the threads,
Well, we expect some maybe some clouds, but actually it looks clear in front of us.
Yes.
So if you don't have any questions, we're good to go.
Excellent. Brilliant.
Smashing.
So do you want to start the descent right now to be
Right.
ahead of...
Yeah.
Okay.
I would like descent procedure and descent checklist. Thank you.
So descent checklist,
Descent checklist.
pressurization.
Land alt is 400. The cabin altitude will be 200.
Check. Recall.
Recall check.
Toe brake.
Auto by 2.
Landing data.
Landing data, the BREF is 128, minimum is 230 feet upon right.
Check. Approach briefing.
Approach briefing is completed.
Okay, next will be the approach. Checklist.
Copy. Alright, I'd like to ask a start of descent in, I would say in 40 miles, which is roughly 5 minutes.
You don't want to start the descent? The descent right now?
Yeah, we're gonna...
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask. French post 611 Foxtrot requesting descent.
French post 611 Foxtrot descent for level 340.
Descending 340, 611 Foxtrot. 340 checked.
Alright.
French post 611 Foxtrot, contact London 128.125.
128.125, 611 Foxtrot, bye.
1000 to level off.
London, good morning, French post 611 Foxtrot, approaching flight level 340.
French post 611 Foxtrot, good morning, descend flight level 290.
Down flight level 290, 611 Foxtrot. Checked.
French post 611 Foxtrot, Scottish 133.8.
With Scottish 1338, 611 Foxtrot. Checked. Scottish, good morning, French post 611 Foxtrot, approaching flight level 290.
1000,
French post 611 Foxtrot, Scottish, descend flight level 180.
Down flight level 180, 611 Foxtrot. Check.
180 and return.
Check. Good spot for kite surfing, but no wind today.
Yeah, a lot of windmills, so that means, yeah, good spot for kite surfing with nice beaches in front of them.
Sorry, what did you say?
That's a French guy speaking.
Yeah, with a crap accent like me.
French post 611 Foxtrot, expect further descent 15 miles on a transfer to Doncaster.
Copied, 611 Foxtrot, thank you.
Okay, if you allow me, I'm selling my car. This is a BMW 3.18D. Pretty nice pre-decent conditions. 10,000 euros. So contact me.
French post 611 Foxtrot, contact Doncaster 126.225.
With Doncaster 126.225, French post 611 Foxtrot, right? Doncaster, good morning, French post 611 Foxtrot, with information Mike, Boeing 737, flight level 180.
French post 611 Foxtrot, Doncaster radar, good morning, vectors ILS approach, runway 20, your number 1 information, November.
So with information number 1, so November, number 1 for the approach vector for the runway 20, French post 611 Foxtrot. As briefed.
Roger.
French post 611 Foxtrot, descend flight level 160, expect further descent in 15 miles.
Down flight level 160, French post 611 Foxtrot.
Return. Speed.
Check. Check.
French post 611 Foxtrot, continue present heading, descend flight level 130.
On the present heading down to flight level 130, 611 Foxtrot.
Return and speed. Heading self green.
130.
130 set.
130, sorry.
Yeah. Check.
French post
611 Foxtrot, descend flight level 110.
Descending flight level 110, French poste 611 Foxtrot.
110 set.
Check.
MTP speed, return.
Okay.
Okay, with that speed, that's coming up.
Do you play golf?
I don't actually. I don't like extreme sports. I prefer kitesurfs.
Because there is a lovely golf course.
Oh, really?
On the left side of the aircraft. There is two girls. Hello, girls.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, descend to altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1016.
Down to altitude 2,500 feet by QNH 1016, French Post 611 Foxtrot.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, right hand pattern for runway 20, you have 30 miles from touchdown.
Thank you.
Okay, check at 10.6.
Yep.
7, sorry. Check, 7.
Minus 50.
Copy, a quick checklist.
Altimeters?
Altimeters is 1016.
Post checklist completed.
Okay, thank you.
So, what about the map? RNP, good?
I am crying. Could you ID the vacancies, please?
It's done.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
I like what you do. I like the way you think.
Okay. I have the field in sight, to the left side.
Copy, we switch the tower and we dive.
Yes, but it's not usual here. They don't like that.
Let me help it.
Check.
Gonna save fuel outbound.
We can expect a right turn after crossing the axis.
Yes.
To go back. Okay.
Disconnecting?
Why not?
I'm flying today.
Okay. Be my guess. FMC runway approach should disagree. Okay, I clear.
Yeah.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, turn right, heading 020 degrees downwind.
Right, heading 020 degrees downwind, French Post 611 Foxtrot. Heading 020 degrees.
Check.
I switch off my radar and take the terrain mode.
Roger.
Okay.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, turn right, heading 110 degrees, right base.
Right, heading 110 degrees, right base, 611 Foxtrot. 110 degrees.
To deliver.
Check. To level off. On heading, check.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, turn right, heading 170 degrees, cleared ILS approach, runway 20, report established.
Right, heading 170 degrees, clear ILS 20, call you back, established. French Post 611 Foxtrot.
Yes, speed to 10 and flaps on. set clear approach?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
All
speed
green.
190. And flat 5, speed 170.
Okie dokie. 70. Heading on course. Set. Runway inside.
Copy.
Spot 611 Foxtrot, apologies, turn right heading 230 degrees, report localizer established.
No problem. French was 611 Foxtrot. Okay. Wings level.
Oh, you said
No, don't worry.
Oh, okay. All right.
Just apologize because his radar vector wasn't so good.
All right,
So,
gear down.
okay.
And flat 50. And speed 150.
Axis to the right.
Okay. Solid descent.
Try to do like daddy.
French 611 Foxtrot, confirm established.
Yes, sir.
French 611 Foxtrot, thanks. Continue approach and contact Doncaster Tower 128.775. Good morning.
So with the tower 128.775. Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. And to the left. To the left.
Now.
Okay. And 30. Yeah.
Ready for
Speed.
Thank you. 132. Set.
Okay, thanks.
You have the field inside?
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Tower, good morning. French Post 611 Foxtrot. Establish ILS 20.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, Doncaster. Good morning, runway 20. Clear to land, surface wind 220 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear to land 20. French Post 611 Foxtrot. Landing checklist.
Landing checklist.
Engines are switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
On.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30 green light.
Okay.
Correcting the axis.
So landing checklist completed.
Roger.
So in case of go around, it will be 2,500 set.
Copy.
I recycle flight director.
Thank you.
And we are clear to land.
Copy.
Do your best.
Oh yeah. I'll give everything again.
You tried to kill me?
Why are you saying that?
Trim in my knees.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna move the trim for you.
1,000 feet approaching.
Roger.
1,000.
1,000.
Check.
It's not stuck, it's normal. The needle is not stuck.
Oh, okay.
Normal.
Okay. Don't forget about touchdown zone.
I always do.
$500.
Check.
Okay. Side landing.
Inside landing.
500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30, 20, 10, 100.
Speed brake. Normal reverse. Idle reverse. My control.
You get it, sir.
Thank you. Well done.
Automatic is on.
So,
60 knots.
and 3-4 for the landing.
Copy.
French Post 611 Foxtrot, vacate right, you're taxiing to stand 1 via Bravo Alpha and Charlie.
Vacating to the right, Bravo, Alpha and Storm Charlie, correct?
Stand 1 via Bravo Alpha Charlie.
Bravo Alpha.
Stand 1 via Bravo Alpha and Charlie, French Post 615.
Okay, after landing procedure please, and APU. Good morning, England.
What? You fell in love. You fell in love with me.
Oh man.
Okay, right turn.
Marshall inside. APU, so it is on bus?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah.
You would tell me for the block time?
Yes, 40.
Thank you.
Ahead of channel.
So, yeah.
Tick. Walking like set.
You said dick.
I said tick.
Okay.
1 and 2. Shutdown. Procedure. Then checklist please. Yeah. Okay.
Shutdown checklist. Fuel pumps.
Off.
Pitot heat.
So 1 out. Off.
Hydraulic panel.
Set.
Flaps.
Up.
Parking brake.
Set.
Engine stop levers.
Cut off.
Weather radar.
Test. Tilt up.
Okay, the shutdown checklist is complete.
Thank you. Okay. I go for the door.